Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a microphone from a company called Joby, and this is the Wavo Pod. So I actually have the microphone right here, which I'm going to be reviewing and testing out because I have been enjoying my microphone setup right here that I have right now. But this should be an awesome experience because they also did provide an arm, which is a boom arm. It's called the Wavo Boom arm, and so this is going to offer cable management, a drink and a headphone holder, as well as microphone compatible or camera compatible, and a smooth and steady positioning experience. So make sure you guys stay locked in to the end of the video because we're going to be taking a look at the Wavo Pod, and we're going to be connecting it to the Wavo Boom arm. So make sure you guys stay locked in with me. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. All right, guys, so right here we have the Joby Wavo Pod microphone. So this is actually a streaming microphone, and it's also a microphone that you can use if you want to do live streaming or maybe content creation or anything like that. This is going to be good for creators, and so it's plug and play. It gives you high quality up to 24 bits with 48 hertz. You can see right here it says compatible with most USB devices, USB microphone designed for podcasting and streaming as well. And so it's going to offer you a good experience because not only do you get your voice is going to be captured with a nice warm, crisp and clear like experience because you're going to be getting the filter. You're also going to be getting a customized experience with the arm that we're going to be taking a look at, or you could get another accessory that matches your needs, maybe like the tripod that they offer. You can see right here it's going to offer you some additional specs. It's going to say monitor your sound with a 3.5 millimeter cable, or you can enjoy a multiple 1/4 attachment to find ideal setup. So that's pretty cool. Then it says right here you do get the pop filter right here for broadcast sound included, and you're going to get versatile pickup with a pattern for both solo or interview setup. So that's definitely pretty cool. I'm interested to check that out. Let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the box right now and see what comes inside. All right, so first thing in front is our Wavo Pod microphone, and then right here you do get your basic user manual. We do have a type C to type C cable right here for actually plugging into the microphone itself. And right here, there is another wire right here, which is type C to type A. So they give us two different wires. In this case, I do have an Android, so it's going to work perfectly. So I'm just going to take off the foam on top. And then you're going to be seeing the microphone right here in red and black. So the filter is actually the black, the red part. And then we also have the black microphone. So you can see this is going to reduce vibrations and help you with your blocking out any extra sounds around you, especially when you emphasize certain words with a P or a S. It's going to get rid of those. So you can see right here we do have a Joby link right there. You're getting your mute button when you press this in. You also do get the volume control on here as well. So you can see that. And then this is pattern. So it goes between two different patterns. And we're going to test those out right now. So This is actually removable by just turning this, and then you can actually remove the top of that, so you can actually get you know, the right feel for yourself. So I'm actually going to keep that on, but I definitely think it's pretty cool that you can remove that filter just in case you didn't want it on there for a certain reason. But I definitely think it's going to be useful, so I'm just going to keep it on there. All right, guys, so this is the Wavo Boom arm. Right here you can see it says professional desk mounting arm for streamers and podcasters. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Now this box is pretty heavy, so let me just go ahead and slide the box upward. You can see the boom arm right here in different pieces. So it has the cable management right here in the red, and then a nice lightweight aluminum. We also do get the parts that we need to assemble it together with and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in one piece, and then we'll get right back with you. All right, so this is the clamp. It has the rubber to actually give it some cushion, which is kind of cool, and a nice clamp. So this is the part that's gonna go on your desk. You do also have this disc with a screw. You also do have another piece right here, which looks like it has another set of cushions. We do get this piece right here. So we're gonna need that to attach to the clamp. So yeah, you could get that cup holder. Then you could also, you know, put your headphones in that same spot. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I could put my headphones right underneath here. All right, so the next thing we do is just place this right inside here, and then we're gonna grab a tool and tighten this part right here. All right, so you basically put the tool inside there and you just spin clockwise. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm talking through the Joby Wavo Pod microphone. This is actually $47, and you could pick up the boom arm for like $99 separately. So just to give you an idea, the filter on here is going to be $4 to replace it. So pretty affordable. Now there is an ambient mode on here which has a purple light on the microphone. If I turn it, you could see the purple light. And right now it's in the open mode, so it's giving me a full directional audio quality when it comes to this mic. So I really like the boom arm because I'm able to adjust it in different areas where I so desire. And then it has this mode right here. If I press the button, I can increase the volume actually by turning up the knob, making the gain a little bit higher, so you can hear this is what it sounds like. And you will get a little bit of feedback if the volume is too high. So I think this is the right setting right now. And then if you long press where the button is, where it has like that knob, if you press it, it's going to turn red and it's going to mute the microphone. But if you long press it, like right now, and it just turned blue. So you can see now that that color is blue on the microphone. So that gives you an idea what this mode sounds like when it's actually the blue ambient light. And then there is a cardioid mic, which is like a directional. So let me turn it to that. And so this is the cardioid mic when it's pointed at me. It's a directional sound, so it should be like picking up everything that's coming straight towards the front of the microphone, but not towards the side. So it has a lot of cool features. Let me know what you guys think about this microphone. Definitely think it's pretty good as far as the overall features. You get that cup holder, and you also do get the headphone holder on the boom arm if you decide to pick that up, and you get that cable management. The microphone itself has pretty good quality to it, and it does give you monitoring so you can hear yourself while you're talking, and so that sounds pretty good as well. So I definitely think for $47, if you pick up the microphone with just the stand, it's going to be a steal. But with the boom arm included, that's definitely going to be a game changer when it comes to like your overall PC desk setup. So let me know what you guys think about this microphone in the comment section down below. And if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. I'll hit you guys back later, crew. Peace.